Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted SMS messages on your Android phone without using any third-party software. Open your Messages app. This is the app you use to send and receive texts. Next, see the More symbol, usually 3 dots or a menu icon in the corner. Tap it to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select the Trash or Recycle Bin option. This is a temporary storage area where Android keeps your deleted threads for 30 days before they are gone forever. Next, see the list of deleted conversations. When you find the specific SMS you need, simply long press the message or tap the Edit button. Select the desired threads and tap the Restore or Recover option. Your messages will instantly jump back into your main inbox exactly where they were before. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials.